Fancy Kids, Arts, Crafts, Science, and more. For making a photo frame. That you will need 1 cardboard, 4 buttons, 10 popsicle sticks, 1 glue, and something to color with, like a marker or these glue glitter pens. So let's make it. And let's arrange it. This is how we have to arrange. Stick it with the glue stick, which we have over here. Guys, this is how it should be. Now we have to do the next layer. I'll show you how to arrange this one. Okay. Oh, it should be like this. Okay. Take out these. Take out these. Now we glue it. Now we glue it. Now put 4 buttons on each corner. And put the buttons like this. Now we get the glitter pens or markers or beads. Okay. I'm gonna do this. For the glue to dry. We waited for the next day and Sarah did a photo over here from the small space over here. We used glue to attach the string so that you could hang it on the wall. Your own photo frame. If you like my video, bye!